One of our strategies is to expand the number of product offerings that we have. So not to only serve somebody for breakfast or for lunch, but also be able to serve them from morning all the way to night. Iced coffee was really born out of a concept that everybody drinks coffee, so can be served as a snack throughout the day because of the level of protein that it has.
I think it's part of the pulse of this company. We not only innovate with product, but we innovate with process. We innovate with all the things that we do every day to service our distributor and really support the distributor difference globally.
Something that was really essential is identifying all the moving pieces and really figuring out what are all the things that could be run in parallel as opposed to linear. We had product engineering, packaging engineering, regulatory folks, R&D group, quality group, the lab was involved, logistics, supply chain, demand planning, marketing, sales. I mean, we had everybody. You name every department in this company has touched this project.
There really weren't any defined boundaries to any of our roles in this other than just making it happen.
What made it so successful was just having leadership behind us and directing us and giving us the power that we needed in order to do what we needed to do. So we went from something that would take up to 2 years down to 6 months, which was just absolutely exceptional.
It took a lot of pioneering through this process, really challenging the status quo of how we did things historically to find our way to a successful launch.